Tayo's channel!
Loco wants us to meet him at the clock tower now.
Loco?
Because of you, my first day here was bad. I'm never playing with you again.
Our new friend, Loco!
It's a sunny morning. Titipo and the little trains are off to see Mr. Herb.
Morning, Mr. Herb!
Morning, everyone.
Mr. Herb, I heard a new train's coming today.
That's right. Titipo, will you go to the plant and escort the new train here?
Sure, no problem.
When he gets here, Genie can show him around town and Diesel can take him on a practice route.
Will do, Mr. Herb.
All right, better get going, Titipo.
Okay, see you all later.
So, there's a new train coming to town. Wonder what the newbie will be like.
Hi, Teo.
Hello, Titipo.
I came to get the new train. So where is he?
He's on his way. Oh, here he comes.
Teo!
Hello, Loco. Are you all ready to go?
Yes, but I'm a little nervous.
There's no need to be. Your escort to town's here. Say hi, Titipo.
Hello, I'm Titipo.
Hello, my name's Loco.
Titipo was also a newbie like you not so long ago.
But that's in the past. Now I'm one of the best trains in town.
Yeah, one of the best.
Just follow my lead.
Thanks, I sure will.
Just wait here.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
Bye, Teo. We'll be heading off now.
Okay, be safe. Take care of Loco.
I will.
Goodbye, Teo, and thank you. Wow! It's real pretty here.
There are lots more other nice spots, too. I'll take you to them.
I like that.
This is the industrial district.
Does that mean there are a lot of factories here?
Uh-huh. You'll be coming to this area often from now on.
Wow! You know everything.
No. I know a cooler place. Want to go?
A cooler place?
It's a track by a big lake. Come on, I'll show ya.
Okay.
Titipo and Loco are passing through a quiet country area.
I forget which way it is to the lake. Let's just go left and see.
Oh no, that's not right. Titipo is going the wrong way.
Wow. Titipo, are we almost there now?
Oh, yeah. We just have to go a little further.
Huh? Where's the lake?
I don't know. We went the wrong way. I'm sorry. Let's just go to Choo Choo Town.
After losing their way, Titipo and Loco eventually make it to Choo Choo Town.
We're here, Mr. Herb.
Good job, Titipo. You must be the new train. Welcome.
Hello, Mr. Herb. My name is Loco.
Loco, short for locomotive. Now, you'd better go on in and meet the others.
Okay.
Just follow me.
Sure.
I'm Genie. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, too. I'm Loco.
Let me show you around Choo Choo Town.
That sounds fun.
Come on.
Okay.
See you later. This is the train wash.
Ah.
Do you want me to tell you how it works?
Yes.
When the green light turns on, it means you can go in.
Okay. Wow.
Oh, something's wrong with the train wash.
Loco, are you okay?
Yeah.
I'm so sorry. Let's go to another spot.
Yeah.
Genie!
Oh,
Was looking for you. Oh, are you the new train?
Loco, this is Diesel.
Hello, Diesel.
Hello to you too. Do you want to go to the quarry? It's super fun.
The quarry?
Go ahead.
Huh?
I can always show you around town later.
Come on, let's go.
Yeah.
Titipo Titipo.
Diesel and Loco are at the quarry.
Wow. Whoa. What do you do here, Diesel?
I haul rocks from the quarry to places that need them.
Wow. That sounds so cool.
That machine crushes rocks. And that's where I load up. I'll show you how.
Whoa. You're awesome, Diesel.
I can do this in my sleep.
Wow.
If we stop here, the rocks are gonna come down. Now watch carefully.
Diesel, are you okay?
Oh, look, it's Titipo and Genie.
I was showing Loco the train wash, and he came out covered in soap and bubbles.
Well, I took a wrong turn and ended up getting lost with Loco.
Hi, guys.
Diesel!
What happened to you?
Oh, boy. I was showing Loco my job when I messed up.
We made mistakes too.
Do you think Loco could be upset because of us?
The little trains are worried that they disappointed Loco. It's a new morning.
Titipo!
Yeah. What's going on?
Loco wants us to meet him at the clock tower now.
Loco?
Because of you, my first day here was bad. I'm never playing with you again.
What if he says he doesn't want to be friends?
The little trains are going to the clock tower to meet Loco.
Hi, guys. Good morning.
Good morning, Loco.
Everything you did yesterday was so awesome.
What?
That's not true. I got us lost and made you tired.
I wasn't, though. I was happy because I got to meet new friends along the way.
Oh, Titipo.
Hello. Loco, I'll introduce you to my friends.
Okay.
Eric is a commuter train, so he has long routes. And Sing Sing is the fastest train in Choo Choo Town.
Oh, that's so cool. It's nice to meet you both.
Nice to meet you too.
First, I met Eric and Sing Sing.
We're twin freight trains. I'm Manny.
And I'm Bernie.
Hello, Manny, Bernie. You two really do look alike.
I'm very happy to meet you.
Me too. I hope we'll be good friends.
Next, I met Manny and Bernie.
Chicky Cha!
Yo, yo! Ho! Nice to meet and greet. You Loco, me Fix.
Me lift! Yo, let's be good bros, Loco!
Hey!
Hey!
Ho!
Ho!
Join us and get down. Welcome to
And then I met Fix and Lift.
Lift.
Thanks to Titipo, I met so many good friends in just one day.
Oh, that's great, Titipo.
I guess so.
You were great too, Genie.
What? I was?
Yeah, you showed me the whole town. You were the bestest guide ever.
That's the control center.
Ah,
It's where Mr. Herb works.
he looks busy.
This is the car depot. The freight and passenger cars we use are all kept here.
Wow, this place is cool. Thanks to Genie, I know the town really well now.
You do?
I'm so glad.
I guess you're upset with me then.
Upset with you? Why would I be? You had an accident when you were showing me your work. Are you okay, Diesel?
Diesel, what happened?
I wasn't at my mark. I'll move up more.
Wow.
I'm ready.
All right, here we go.
But seeing you do your job like a pro even after the accident, I got goosebumps. I want to be like you, a strong and hardworking freight train.
I am pretty cool, huh?
Yeah, you are. You all are the coolest.
Well, with a little effort, Loco, you'll be as cool as us.
Yeah, that's right. But until then, we'll be here to help.
Of course. You can come to us anytime.
Wow, thank you.
The little trains have made a cute new friend. Welcome to the group, Loco.
If we want, guess I could retell the story.
Sorry, I have to go to bed early tonight. Bye.
Okay. I knew it.
Huh?
Knew what?
I knew that Xing Xing wouldn't want to play with us.
I think Sing Sing likes being by herself more.
She never slows down to say hi, not even a smile.
Really?
She's a snob.
I'm not a snob. I just have to wake up very early for my route.
It's a new day in Choo Choo Town.
Sing Sing! Good morning.
Morning.
Oh! Hey, Sing Sing, are you getting a wash?
Yes.
Oh? Diesel was right. Sing Sing never smiles or laughs. Oh! Ah!
I feel so clean.
Sing Sing!
Oh?
Ta-da! Don't I look like Mr. Herb?
I guess so.
Titipo, if you're ready, it's time to start your route.
Oh, my.
Oh, you laugh!
Titipo, if you're ready, you should start your route.
Okay. Don't I sound like him?
Yeah. We're at the station.
Here we are.
I'm done.
Sing Sing! Wait for me!
Hi, Titipo.
You really are fast. You're super lucky.
Oh, thanks. But I think you're lucky.
Really? Why?
You're good friends with everyone. I want to be, but it's hard.
Oh, hi, Xing Xing. Bye, Xing Xing.
I'm so much faster than everyone, and I stop at only a few stations, so I can't say hi. But I want to be good friends with everyone.
You want to be good friends? I can help you.
You can?
Trust me, I can. Follow me.
Okay.
Titipo decides to help Xing Xing become better friends with everyone.
The best way to break the ice is to be funny.
To be funny?
Just watch. See? It's funny, right?
Yeah.
Good. Now you try it.
Oh, me? I'd be too embarrassed.
I promise it'll make everyone laugh.
All right. How was that?
You almost have it. Try scrunching up your face more. That was perfect!
That was hard.
Next, we'll practice speed control.
Speed is my middle name.
Oh, Sing Sing! Wait up!
Huh? What's wrong, Titipo?
I didn't mean to speed up. I meant to slow down.
To slow down?
Uh-huh. You're faster than us, so it's hard for us to keep up with you. Let's practice going a little bit slower.
Ah.
Then you can finally have time to chat. I'm sure the others would love that.
Sure, okay. Go slower and slower.
Now, lesson 3. Giving compliments to your friends.
Compliments?
Yeah, there isn't a train that doesn't like compliments. Okay, try complimenting me.
You? Right now?
Yeah. Come on. I know I have a lot of things to compliment.
You're one of the nicest trains I know.
Really? I guess I am pretty nice. What else do you like about me? I really want to know.
I can't think of anything.
Come on, tell me. Titipo Titipo.
After a day of lessons, Titipo and Sing Sing wait for their friends.
They should be here by now. Here they come. You can do this.
Yeah.
Titipo!
Sing Sing's here too.
Hello.
Hey guys, I have something to show you.
Wow! Show us, show us! I'm so curious!
Okay, show us.
Ready? Sing Sing, what's wrong? Do you feel sick?
You don't look very good right now. Let's hurry and go see Teo.
I'm not sick. I'm fine.
Oh, that didn't go as planned.
You don't seem like yourself.
Yeah, something's weird.
Hey guys! Sing Sing has something she wants to tell you.
Oh?
Well, what is it?
Go on, give them each a compliment.
Genie, I think you are a strong and very hardworking train. You really think I'm strong? Yeah. Diesel, you are so clean and very sweet.
Sing Sing, I think you got it mixed up.
That's not what I meant. I meant Genie is clean and Diesel is strong. This isn't going very well. I've never seen you make a mistake before.
Me neither.
I agree with you. I am really strong.
And I'm a lot cleaner than you think.
Phew. It worked. Titipo!
Sing Sing!
Thank you. Because of your help, I feel closer to everyone.
See, Sing Sing? I told you I could help. Now, there's just one more thing left to do.
And what's that?
To go on a fun trip together.
Go on a fun trip?
A nice day out is the best way to get closer. You should ask Diesel and Genie to go on a picnic with us.
Okay.
Hi, guys! Ask them now. Go on.
Do you want to go on a picnic?
Oh, what a super idea! It sounds like so much fun!
I'm in.
Me too.
The day of the group picnic is finally here.
Wow, what a great day. It really is.
The harbor's perfect because it's by the sea.
I can't wait.
Isn't it nice nice we can talk on the way. Yeah, so nice.
A little further and we'll be able to see the ocean.
Yeah.
Sing Sing?
Oh. Yes, Mr. Herb?
There are a lot of tourists today, so we need an express train. Would you mind working this afternoon?
Sure.
Great. Now hurry back and get ready.
Okay.
Do you really have to go?
Yeah, Mr. Herb needs my help.
But we're almost there.
Sorry, guys. I wanted to have fun with Sing Sing.
Me too.
Ah! I just had a great idea!
Really?
Just follow me!
Hey, wait!
Sing Sing has finished work and is heading home now.
I'm so sad I missed the picnic.
Sing Sing!
Hi, friend! Hey, guys. What are you doing here? The picnic.
We couldn't have a picnic without you.
We waited to go home together.
We'll have a picnic next time.
Thank you. I mean it.
No need to thank us. That's what good friends do.
That's right.
Thanks to her good friends, Sing Sing looks very, very happy tonight.
Titipo and Sather's day out.
It's Titipo's day off today.
Hi, guys.
Titipo!
Are you free? Do you want to go out and play?
I have to go to work.
Me too.
I think Sather's off today, too.
Great. Then I'll ask Sather to go out with me.
I don't think he'll go.
Yeah, Sather doesn't like leaving Choo-Choo Town.
Aw, what kind of train would say no to an outing? I'll see you later. Goodbye.
He'll be disappointed.
Yeah.
Okay, let's start organizing.
Hi, Sather.
Huh?
Let's go out and play.
Play?
It's your day off, right? So we should go out.
I like hanging out in Choo-Choo Town more.
But there are so many fun things outside.
There are fun things in Choo-Choo Town, too. Yeah. All finished! It's fun to organize freight and passenger cars. And when all the trains are out, it's great to take a long train wash. This seems like a good spot. It's also nice to take an afternoon nap. Choo-Choo Town is the best place to be. Outside is too busy and noisy, so I'm just gonna stay here. Enjoy your outing, Titipo.
Sather? How can he not like going outside? Huh? Ah! I bet if he goes out with me, he'll feel differently.
Yellow cars go over here.
Sather!
You scared me.
Come out with me, just this once, Sather. Please, pretty please.
Sorry, but I'm having fun organizing now. Go out on your own, Titipo. Red cars go over there.
Come on, Sather. Are you really gonna stay here? Huh? Really?
I'm going bananas. Titipo, I can't focus because of you.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh no! The cars are all messed up.
Ready to go out now?
I need a train wash. This feels great.
Boy, do I need a wash! Wonder which train is taking so long in there?
Oh, I better hurry. I'm so sorry. The wash is yours.
Are you done, Sather? But you know, I don't want to wash. I'd much rather go out and play right now.
What? You want a what?
You in? Doesn't that sound fun?
No, not really.
Sather goes to the forest to take an afternoon nap.
Ah, so nice. Titipo, what are you doing here?
I thought I'd take a nap too.
Really?
Want me to sing you a lullaby?
No, that's okay.
Walk-a-bye, baby, in the treetop.
Oh,
When
Titipo!
the wind blows the
Fine, you win, you win! I'll go out, okay?
You will?
I will, but only for a little bit.
Sure, okay. You're going to have so much fun, I promise you.
Yeah.
Titipo, Titipo.
Titipo and Sather are out for the day.
Told you. Isn't it nice outside?
Guess so.
Huh?
Huh?
We're here. That's the harbor.
Oh.
Let's go.
Okay. Oh. Wow.
Hey, look who's here!
Oh, where's that voice coming from? Oh, what on earth?
Sather, I'm up here. Look up.
Up?
Aren't you a sight for sore eyes? Oh, hi there, Titipo.
Granny, you really startled me. Oh.
Hello, Craney. I think Craney made Sather upset.
Sather,
Huh?
come visit more often.
Bye. We have to go now. Let's go.
Goodbye, Titipo. Don't be a stranger, Sather.
Okay, take care, Granny. Hi, guys.
Huh?
Diesel.
Hey, you're out, Sather.
I know. Wow, those are the freight cars I gave you.
Yep. But I can't believe Titipo convinced you to come out.
Well, I'm just out for a little while.
I bet Titipo twisted your arm, right?
Well...
No, I didn't. Anyway, Sather's going to have fun.
Go and have fun, then. I'm off to work now.
Later, Diesel.
Sather, let's get going.
Okay.
To turn around, we have to use the turntable. Go ahead and get on it.
Okay. Like this?
Yup, perfect.
Oh no, there's something wrong with the turntable.
I'm so dizzy.
Oh, I'm sorry. I have to take Sather somewhere that he'd really like.
Wow. Tsing Tsing sure is super fast. She's amazing.
Aha! I just thought of a great place that you would love. Follow me.
Titipo decides to take Sather to a quiet station in the country.
Like it? Pretty, right?
I
knew Sather would like it here. Thank goodness. Oh?
Genie!
We have arrived. Be careful getting off.
Wow! I linked those passenger cars.
Okay, we're here, kids. Now watch your step.
Oh, Titipo, you actually got Sather to come out.
Yup.
Are you on your route, Genie?
Yeah, today I got kindergarten kids.
That sounds nice.
Whoa, look, a cool train! Teacher, can I go on board this train?
Me too. Oh, I don't know.
Oh, teacher, please.
Little train, would you mind letting the children go on board?
On me?
You're you're busy, right?
No, I'm not busy.
Really? Oh, thank you.
Sather is not going to like this.
Hey, children, please don't touch any buttons.
Sather,
Yeah.
are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
I feel awful. I shouldn't have brought him here after all.
Hey, Titipo, we're going back to town now, right?
Right. We should head back. I wanted to show Sather how fun it was outside. But everything went wrong.
Oh, it's raining. Come on, let's go, Titipo.
When it rains, it pours. Hey, Sather.
Wow.
Oh?
Titipo, look at the sky.
Huh?
A rainbow.
Wow! A real rainbow!
It's so beautiful.
Oh, yeah. Sather, I'm sorry you had such a terrible day today.
What?
The harbor was so noisy, and those little kids were jumping all over you. Then it started to rain.
You're wrong. I had a great day.
Oh?
Sather!
It was really nice seeing Craney again. And to see my friends working with the freight cars and the passenger cars that I linked for them myself made me very proud. I even had fun playing with those cute kids. And now I'm looking at a beautiful rainbow. I owe all this to you. Thank you, Titipo.
Oh, you're welcome. No problem. I was right, wasn't I? It's super fun going out to play.
Yeah, let's do this more often.
Sounds good. Next time, we should go with the whole group.
Okay.
It looks like Sather and Titipo had a great time together.
Playing outside can be fun too.